What's up, guys, and welcome back, and well, happy holidays. Today we're going to quickly swap out the battery so that you guys know exactly how to change out your battery if yours wears out, or if you just want to upgrade to a nice lightweight lithium battery. So the only tools we need for this is a Phillips number 2 and a 5mm hex key. First thing we need to do here is get our key out of the ignition, take our rear seat off, then we can take a Phillips screwdriver of some sort and push in on these little push pins and pull these out, which is going to allow us to remove this little plastic piece right here. Right here we have our 5mm Allen key, and we want to take out these two 5mm bolts right here. And this is going to allow us to remove this seat. Now sometimes these are a little tight, which is why I'm using this hex key versus the Allen key that comes with the motorcycle. And with those out of the way, we can just lift up and remove our seat. Now that we have our seat removed, we have these two 5mm black bolts to get out, and then these 4 5mm as well, which will remove this metal plate for us. Now we can just take this metal plate right off. Now I have some more wires on here than you probably do, and that's because I have a tuner installed, and I also have my heated jacket / charging cable installed on the motorcycle. Now the first thing we want to take off is always the negative cable, and if you don't know why that is, it's because this negative cable and this negative side of this battery is technically touching every single metal component that is touching inside of this motorcycle, i.e. the frame, most of the bolts, and potentially lots of additional negative wires that are attached somewhere on the frame. So what that means is, by removing this negative black cable first, you take the entire frame and the rest of the motorcycle out of the play. And that's true to all DC vehicles you're going to deal with. So the next tool we're going to need is a Phillips number 2. And we will take off this negative terminal. Make sure not to lose the little bolt there. And we will get these negative terminals out of the way. So now there is nothing else touching this battery, and we are safe to not get any sparks. And I'll put that back in there just so we don't lose it. And here's the positive side. There we go. I got all this extra stuff on here, like I said. May or may not have all this on your bike. If you don't have the charging cable, I would suggest you do install one. I'll link one down below. I also use it for my heated jacket. So by pushing this cable out of the way a little bit, you've got this rubber strap that's holding the battery in here, and there's a little hump right here. If you can push this down, rolling it out, you can pull this off. And this little D-ring here is going on a little loop within the battery clip there. So there is our battery removed, and what version battery comes with this thing stock. So if you're interested in getting the same battery, here it is. Of course, I'll link this stuff down below if you're looking to get a new battery, or if you want maybe a lithium one, a lightweight one.